What is it? ¿Qué es eso, Ivana?
Luca. Oh, I forgot to brush her hair. Okay. I'll show you something so cool about.
Okay. A ver, explain me. Por favor, explícame, mi amor.
Okay, this is Luca, and she's in the brain, and she wants to go all the way here. But that is not a house. That is a brain from your head. But she went inside my ear and shook out, and there were monsters and ghosts. There were boxes, but that was hurting me too much. But there was a bee inside. Luca went to go all the way downstairs and get that bee. She just wanted to get, and she ran it away because the bee was so pointed. Because she get the bread and then she didn't get out. But there's me. I have a head.